There's Jacob. Merry Christmas, Jacob. Your first Christmas, buddy.
Papa.
Trying to get to Daddy. Hi.
Jacob, you want to come open your very first Christmas present?
Yeah.
It's a present from Jesus. Look. It's a present from Jesus. Will we help you? Take off the paper. Can you get the paper off? What you gotta do to the paper? Hey, get off paper. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. What is it, Papa? You want to open it? Look at Daddy and smile. Say hi, Daddy. Thank you, Jesus.
Says, "Ooh, what's that?"
Yeah. Oh. That's the camera. Daddy can take a picture of you.
All right.
Say bye-bye to